Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word barrier. Barrier is a B2 level noun, and it means an obstacle or limit. A barrier can be something physical like a fence, but it can also be an abstract concept like a communication problem. Let's explore it further. A common synonym for barrier is obstacle. For example, the lack of funding was a significant obstacle to the project. Another synonym is hindrance, such as his shyness was a hindrance to making friends. On the flip side, antonyms for barrier include words like aid, as in the teacher provided aid to struggling students, and advantage. For instance, having a good education gave her a real advantage in life. You encounter barriers every day. Think of language barriers when traveling, or psychological barriers that prevent you from reaching your goals. You might say, "There's a barrier between us," if you feel disconnected from someone or he overcame many barriers to achieve his dream. Some common phrases include break down barriers, referring to the act of overcoming them, or cross a barrier, suggesting you've navigated a challenge. We could say, the new rule created a barrier to progress. Another example, his fear was a barrier to success, and the fence was a barrier to entering the property. That's all for today's word, barrier. Remember that barriers can be overcome with effort and determination. Thank you all for joining me on this language adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. Now, I challenge you. Write your own sentence about barrier and share it in the comments below the video.
See you next time.